Where's the warning, guys?
Here is a winter weather statement. Winter storm warning in effect from 7 p.m. Friday to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday.
Yep.
Good job. Winter storm warning?
Yep.
Spartanburg has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow, which is in effect
Heavy
from
snow?
7 p.m.
Heavy
Friday
snow,
to 1
guys.
p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Locations: mountains and northern foothills of western North Carolina.
That's us.
Hazards: accumulating snowfall. Timing: rain will change to a mix of snow and sleet late Friday afternoon before changing to all snow Friday evening. Snow will continue overnight and taking off Saturday morning. Accumulations: 4 to 6 inches of snow. Impacts: the heavy snow will make many roads impassable and may produce widespread power outages due to the weight of the snow on tree limbs and power lines. Temperatures in the lower 20s. Winds north 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Visibility less than 1 mile at times early Saturday morning. A winter storm warning for heavy snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow are forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Please report snow and ice accumulations by calling the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-800-267-8101. Leave a message with your observation and the specific location where it occurred. You can also post your report to National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg Facebook or tweet your report using hashtag NWSGSP. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio or your favorite source of weather information for the latest updates. Additional details can be found at www.weather.gov/GSP.
Wait. I was late for you, double hair or something.
This is